ਲੋਕ ਸਭਾ ਵਿੱਚ ਪ੍ਰਧਾਨ ਮੰਤਰੀ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਦਿੱਤੇ ਬਿਆਨ ਤੇ ਟਿੱਪਣੀ ਕਰਦਿਆਂ ਬਠਿੰਡਾ ਤੋਂ ਮੈਂਬਰ ਪਾਰਲੀਮੈਂਟ ਹਰਸਿਮਰਤ ਕੌਰ ਬਾਦਲ ਨੇ ਕਿਹਾ ਕਿ ਯੂਪੀਏ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਜਨਤਾ ਨੂੰ ਬੇਵਕੂਫ ਬਣਾ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ।
There was no assurance at all. It was the same old thing, repetition. We will take steps. What steps is what the country wants to know today. And same old story of blaming global factors, external factors. What about the policy paralysis in our country? How are global factors responsible for the policy paralysis that is leading to the slowing down of the economy? I think rather than insulting the PM and the government is running away from a discussion because they have no answers. They just want that next 6 months they should keep fooling the people by bringing in these bills and saying they are going to do something when they have no answers. Otherwise, the Prime Minister of our country could have given a statement yesterday itself. He knows the rupee is sliding. He knows the economy is weakening. Surely he's been looking at that and knows what's to be done. When yesterday we demanded a statement, they said he will give tomorrow because he has to prepare to say what to say. And when he gives a statement, he says nothing concrete. So obviously they have no answers. They have no roadmap. They have no plans.
ਖਬਰਾਂ ਦੀ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਓ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਕਦੇ ਵੀ ਤੇ ਕਿਤੋਂ ਵੀ ਜੁੜੋ। ਆਪਾਂ ਮਿਲਾਂਗੇ ਫੇਸਬੁੱਕ ਤੇ, ਅਸੀਂ ਦਿਖਾਂਗੇ YouTube ਤੇ, ਸਾਨੂੰ ਫੋਲੋ ਕਰੋ ਟਵਿੱਟਰ ਤੇ। ਖਬਰਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਜੁੜੇ ਰਹੋ ਦਿਨ ਰਾਤ।